We've just acquired this very rare Ford Focus ST line black edition. It's in absolutely lovely condition. Obviously the black edition is finished in black with the black alloys and has the red trim. It's got privacy glass to the rear. Wheels in absolutely stunning condition. It's got the ST line body styling kit. It's full service history. High level rear spoiler. Boot area is in immaculate condition. It's got the sports seats with the red stitch piping, red stitch carpet mats, full electric windows. Car's covered 69,353 miles. It's got sync, 6-speed gearbox, climate control, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel, sync setup there, so you've got your Bluetooth, got your audio phone prep, DAB radio, apps you can download, USB there. Lovely sporty looking car. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.